Hi, I'm Jennifer Kupiszewski with the Kupiszewski Law Firm. I'm going to talk a little bit today on conservatorships and why they are so much work. They're very important because if someone's assets are at risk of waste or dissipation, they may need a family member to step in and become the conservator to manage their money in order to protect them and to make sure that they have the care that they need. So they're very important. They're also, if you're the conservator, a lot of work. And you're managing somebody else's money, and so the court and the person's attorney, and they always get a court-appointed attorney, will be watching, and you will have to submit what you're doing to the court, and that attorney will be looking it over on behalf of the protected person whose funds you are managing. So first, the court has to know what you're managing. So you're going to have to do an inventory and appraisement, which tells the court all of the things that you have collected on behalf of the person. What are all the bank accounts? What are all the properties? Do they have personal items, art or jewelry, or things that should be on their cars? All those things will be on the inventory so that the court knows this is the total of what you are managing for this person. Then the next thing you're going to have to do is submit a budget to the court. They need to know that your plan for the person's money is sustainable. Is it going to get them to the end of their life such that their needs will always be met? You can't spend all the money in the first couple of years and be left with nothing later, just like anybody else. Then you also have to request a credit report because you have to know what their debts are, what's outstanding that needs to be addressed on behalf of the person. And then the really heavy lift is you're going to need to do an accounting. Conservators have to do annual accountings that are filed with the court, and they have to balance to the penny. So every transaction in and out has to be on that ledger, has to be shown to the court accountant. The court accountant's got to be able to track it through every statement. And they may have questions. Sometimes they come back with questions. And so it's very important that you keep really good records, all receipts. You don't use debit cards. You're not using cash, so that everything, checks, everything can be established. It's a lot of work. It's a really important job. It's someone that you care about and you love, and you're making sure that their needs are always being met. If you want more information about conservatorships, go to our website. We have free pamphlets. We have lots of information. And I hope this was helpful for you. It was fun for me.